So this is our actual model of Microproject. So we have entered the first incorrect password. LCD shows the password is wrong. After that we have entered the correct password. LCD shows the password is correct and open the door. Within the 5 second door close automatically. So here counter is start, door is locked. Thank you. Then the display shows your password is correct. After that the enter password is correct. The system open the door by rotating door motor and display the status of door on LCD. After 5 or 10 minutes the door close automatically. So this motor is rotating in reverse direction. To close the door will be closed. So this is our actual model of Microproject. So we have entered the first incorrect password. LCD shows the password is wrong. After that we have entered the correct password. LCD shows the password is correct and open the door. Within the 5 second door close automatically. So here counter is start, door is locked. Thank you.